The dynamic voice recognition system in your Genesis allows you to control your vehicle, navigate to points of interest, and even obtain stock, weather, and sports information all at the push of a button. In order to access the full range of dynamic voice recognition features, you will need a Genesis Connected Services account and be in an area with connectivity to GCS. To use dynamic voice recognition, press the voice recognition button on the steering wheel, then give the command. Vehicle control commands can allow you to control climate settings, windows, seats, seat warming and ventilation, trunk or liftgate. Pressing the button and saying "Help" will bring up a list of many of the commands you can use. You can also bring up menu settings to quickly access them. You can also tune to different stations or music sources. For navigation, you can search for points of interest and then navigate to them. You can also command it to go to a preset destination command. You can also obtain information on stocks, weather information, and even sports results. If GCS isn't connected or activated, different commands will be necessary, and some commands may not be functional. For more helpful information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com.